the most stupid thing that I can do. In that hurry and urgency, I forgot to carry a tripod. Good morning, friends, and welcome to a very exciting Aves and Fauna trip. Today we are going to a location within the Bombay city called CEC, which is a part of BNHS, and this location is in Film City, Goregaon Film City, and I am very late. It's pretty early morning, but I'm still very late because I was supposed to be there by 6:45, and this is a good half an hour from my place. So stay with us on this journey. And today, what we are going to find out there is, so they have created a hide, and there are a lot of birds coming over there. Today, I have no targets. Just I wanted to get that hide experience. Guys, we are finally here, and guess what? The most stupid thing that I can do in that hurry and urgency, I forgot to carry a tripod. I am coming for a hide photography. What am I gonna do without tripod? I don't know. So it's very sad. Anyways, have a look at the center. I'm gonna go inside. So we paid the fees. The fees here is 300 rupees, and I got a receipt for that as well. It's a beautiful compound. I've come here once, but I think a year and a half back. I was trying for ODK at that time. So here I am inside this hide. It's like a tent. I'm sharing this stand with a lot of mosquitoes as well. And now the waiting game begins. think they must be trying to take material for nest. So guys, very less activity here. So guys, it's 10 o'clock and it's getting pretty hot here on anyways. So I am gonna make a move. I was hoping for some more activity. But anyways, let me just quickly show you the view outside the hide. And you will understand it a little bit better. I've opened the tent. So this is the tent I was in. I had almost closed it till here with just a little bit of gap open, and this is the view right outside the tent. So these are three. So these people have recorded leopard, deer, many birds, and the most famous visitor here is the ODK, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. May 15th till about June 15th it comes here because of water, and then because it's water everywhere inside the jungle, then it doesn't come here. At least that's what I understand from what they have told me. Anyways, I'm just going to show you both the tents 1 minute. This is the area outside. That's hide number 1, hide number 2. There was a person sitting in this hide when I was birding. He had kept this entire hide open and he told me nothing happens. I don't know. I hope he was right, because I did not find any bird coming here. So birds do get spooked. Anyways, this is the entire complex of BNHS CEC. And they also have a butterfly garden. Let me take you there and then we will push off. It's their butterfly garden. I am guessing when the butterfly season is there post monsoon, this must be some kind of a special place. Maybe we can do a follow-up video of this place later on if we get a chance. Alright. Alright guys, time for us to head back. I'm just coming out of the BNHS area and there is shooting happening here. A lot of buses and vanity vans parked. So anyways, bye bye, see you. We'll meet you next time with the next adventure and a next location. Till then, over and out.